Hey guys, Andrew Plies here with MarineMax on Lake Lanier. Here to walk you guys through a brand new boat that we just got in. This is a 2026 Sylvan X3 Platinum Edition. So tons to check out on this boat. Hop aboard, let's check it out. Welcome aboard the X3 2026 Platinum package. Stoked to bring you guys through this boat. Starting back here on the swim platform, this boat is going to be powered by a Mercury 200 horse. And then here on your starboard side, you are going to have a upgraded lily pad ladder. So that just makes getting on and off the boat really, really simple. You'll also have an integrated ski tow bar here in your enclosure with doors on the port and starboard side. As we make our way forward, you will notice this expansive sunbed back here with a swing back seat. So if you're looking to lounge and catch some sun rays, this is the configuration you'd be in, but if you wanted to sit forward, you do have the swing back seat, really expanding your space here in the cockpit. Here on our starboard side, you will have a massive storage locker. And then as we move forward, this boat is optioned with a power bimini top, so with a press of a button, you can raise and lower the bimini top. Makes it super, super simple, whether you're getting under a low bridge, fitting in your lift, or just want to get out of the sun for a little bit. So this boat is optioned with the dual helm setup, so you will have twin captain's chairs. And then with the Platinum package, you are going to pick up all the Platinum package badging here on your raised helm, along with your in-floor storage. And then moving back to the helm station, this boat is going to be optioned with a Simrad multifunction display. So that'll give you everything from your chart plotter to your depth finder. Tons of stuff you can do with that. Obviously all your rocker switches for your stereo and your lighting. And then this boat is optioned with a wet sounds audio system. Moving forward into the bow of the boat, you're going to have a ton of space up here. Plenty of space to bring all your friends and family out there on the water. You will have an option for a bow table. So if you're bring some charcuterie out there on the water with you, feed the kids, feed the family. Guys, there's a ton more to check out on this boat. This is probably one of the most popular boats that we have in the 2026 lineup, especially since it's a Platinum package. So like I said, tons more to check out on this boat. If you'd like to learn more, visit us at MarineMax.com, or if you'd like to schedule a private showing, visit us here at MarineMax on Lake Lanier.